What happens to our body when we die? We are unaware of most of its process. We could not completely define how it happens, even though using our limited resources and technologies. Researchers conducted various studies and experiments. They found many interesting things, which we will discuss today in this video. Scientists classified death and decomposition of the human body into 6 different stages. Within the first few seconds of death, blood circulation to the brain will stop. The electrical ability of neurons will be lost as blood circulation stops. The greedy neurons will store their left resources in an attempt to use them when the blood flow is stable. Disappearance of the electrical ability of neurons will result in an energy change across the brain, which researchers call wave of death. Within 3 minutes, brain activity stops completely. Meanwhile, the body temperature drops about 1.6 degrees Fahrenheit per hour, until it reaches room temperature. When brain activity is stopped, it is clinically referred to be dead. Now, the process of decomposition starts. It begins with pale skin. When the blood circulation stops to the capillaries, right behind our skin, it looks pale, like a zombie. It is one of the very first signs, and it occurs very rapidly within 15 to 30 minutes of death. After death, the whole body will be relaxed. Myofibrils, present inside muscles, undergo chemical changes. It results in the stiffening of the limbs of the corpse. This helps a lot in cases of post-mortem. Stiffening of muscles, or rigor mortis, helps to understand how long it has been since death. Well, post-mortem and its methods are a vast topic. We will discuss it in another video. The next stage is putrefaction. In this stage, cells which has been dead due to lack of oxygen at the time of death will become food for bacteria and fungi. Internal organs and tissues will be liquefied. After 3 weeks, tissues will be softened. Nails and tooth will fall off. The process of putrefaction releases a chemical named putrescine that leads to a terrifying smell. The period of putrefaction is based on different conditions such as exposure to air, moisture content, the cloth on the corpse, cause of death, age, etc. After 4 weeks, skin and muscles will be degraded such that skeleton will be visible from the outside. This process is called skeletonization. It starts within a month. But how long it takes to disappear the skeleton completely? Skeleton buried in soil that has high acid levels and high fertility will take up to 20 years for full decomposition. But under favorable conditions, skeletons will remain as how it was. Centuries-old skeletons of ancient men is an example of this. But, can we preserve our body untouched without any decomposition? The answer is yes. In tundra regions, skeletonization may never occur. The corpse will be preserved without any decomposition. This happens due to the extreme frozen temperature of this region. As bacteria do not act in these extremely frozen weather conditions, putrefaction never occur. This results in skipping of skeletonization process. In 2002 from Arctic Serbia, explorers found a well-preserved mammoth which belongs to the Ice Age, unskeletonized. Experiments are being conducted on this. Researchers argue that using the DNA of the mammoth found on ice could be used for cloning, and we could bring back those extinct species. So that's all for today. Stay tuned, more interactive contents are on its way.